Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home expert here with Barnaby from Ego. Barnaby, another tool that is innovation as part of its core. This is a pole saw. This is a serious tool for a serious job, but you guys have loaded it up with a lot of different features, but the carbon fiber, I'll start with the fact that while it's a heavy tool and you have to be careful, this does reduce the weight.
Yep, it's going to reduce the weight and also increase the strength. And it'll give you a lifetime warranty on the shaft because things do bend or break out there in the world, but not this bad boy.
Now the business end of a pole saw is where the blade is, and that's where you've got some innovation for ease of use.
Yep, so you can see that the bar is tapered. That's going to allow you to slip it into tighter spots. It's a 10-inch bar. It also has bucking spikes, which are key when you put it up into the crotch of, say, the trunk and the limb. You want to rest the saw in there and then make sure it cuts cleanly. Then it's got a little hook down here so you can pull things out of your way. Self-oiling. As far as tensioning the chain, because it will loosen up under use, you simply pull this out here, loosen it, pull the bar out with a screwdriver, simply put it in there, and that will tighten the chain, then screw it back together again.
It's also a telescoping shaft, right? So you can shorten it or you can lengthen it, and then this is actually an add-on that gives even more of a reach.
Right, so when you flip this little lever right here, you can extend it up to 10 feet, right? And then this will give you another 3 feet. And then you can change the orientation of this handle, sliding it back and forth, so it's totally comfortable.
Same battery that goes on all the rest of your tools. About how many cuts are you going to get out of a tool like
about 100 cuts on a single charge, and that's with a 2.5 amp hour battery. So you were going to be tired after 100 cuts.
Nothing left of that tree.
Right.
If you need more information, just go to acehardware.com. Coming up next, two technologies come together from Ego.